Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all my recipe for tofu in black bean sauce. So if you'd like to see how to make this, then keep watching. So guys, to make this recipe we're going to start off, and I'm using my cast iron wok from Lodge, which was sent to me from the guys at Lodge. You can find it online if you're looking for a nice big pan. We're going to go in with a little bit of sesame oil. I always like to use the sesame oil first. Some people don't. It's totally up to you. You can use vegetable oil or whatever oil you would like. So guys, so before my oil gets hot, what I want to do is go in with some ginger and some garlic. Just want to wake that up a little bit. Make sure your heat isn't on high because you don't want the garlic or the ginger to start to burn. And then to that I'm going to go in with my broccoli. Now I'm going in with broccoli next because the broccoli is going to take the longest to cook. So you want to put in your vegetables according to the time that it takes to cook. I'm also going to go in with some snow peas. Now I'm using a combination of vegetables here. You guys can use whatever vegetables you like or whatever vegetables you have on hand. Now you'll notice I did not steam my broccoli. I cut my broccoli really small so that I didn't have to steam it and lose the nutrients in the water. That's why we put it in first, so it will have enough time to cook throughout the entire dish. Now this is a stir fry and it's not going to take very long to come together. So now I'm going to go in with some water chestnuts and some corn, some baby corn. Give that a mix. Now I'm going to go in with some diced colored bell peppers. I'm going to go in with some mushrooms, and I'm using baby bellas for these, or baby portobellos, some chopped onion, and some black mushroom or dried fungus or back air mushroom. Just going to give this a toss. If it's sticking in there, you'll want to add a little bit of water. Let's add in a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with some coconut sugar or palm sugar. And if you guys don't have this, you can use white sugar if you like. I'm going in with some JGM Chinese seasoning, just a little bit guys. You can use salt together with some 5-spice powder and white pepper if you didn't have the JGM. In goes some light soy sauce. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of vegetarian stir-fry sauce. We want to keep everything that we're using vegetarian based because it's fasting season. We don't want to put anything that we can't eat. And I'm going with a little bit of vegetarian hoisin sauce. And I found all of these at Food Town. You can find them on Amazon also. And the star of this recipe is this chili black bean sauce. Now you can get the plain black bean sauce or you can get the spicy version. So I'm just going to add in about a teaspoon. I'll taste it and adjust it at the end. And now for the star of the dish, we have to go in with our fried tofu. Now you just want to toss everything. Okay, so I think I need a little more of that black bean paste in there. And it tastes really good, guys. I'm also going to put in a little bit of that chili oil. This tastes so amazing, and the salt content is right where I want it to be. Don't add too much of salt when you're making this because that black bean paste does contain a lot of salt. Okay, now it's time to go in with my cornstarch slurry mixture. This is just gonna thicken the sauce and glaze it and make it look really beautiful. And I'm adding some chopped scallions. And just want to mix this. Once you mix it, this is now ready to be served. And that's as easy as it is, guys, to make this dish. So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know. If you're new to my channel, I hope you remember to like and subscribe. Please remember to share this video with everyone. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.